Caramelized apples, flambéed with rum and cooked with cream, creates an excellent fall fruit sauce to pour over ice cream. To make a hot apple toffee sundae, add 25 grams butter and 25 grams cane sugar to a small frying pan and turn the heat up to high. Have 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of rum and 25 grams of high-fat cream ready for when the sugar turns to caramel. You're going to cook the caramel with 1/4 of a Granny Smith apple that has been cored, peeled, and sliced. Toss the apples in 5 milliliters or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and add them to the pan when the sugar and butter are bubbling. Continue to saute the apples until the sugar has caramelized. The apples will release their juice into the sauce and become very soft. The apple cider vinegar is similar to citrus juice, which enhances the caramel with a sharp, distinct tang. Add the rum and ignite the alcohol, careful not to get scorched from the flames. Cover with a lid to distinguish the flame or let the flame burn out. Add the cream and allow the sauce to cool down for a minute or two, which will also help to thicken the sauce. Pour the hot apple toffee sauce over a scoop of vanilla ice cream and serve before the ice cream melts.